Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this episode we're going to take a look at a Hornby train set I have purchased second hand recently and named the Royal Scot. Now this set dates back to about the turn of the millennium. On a side note, I purchased this set from Durham Trains and Stanley, so if you get yourself around there, take a look. You never know, you might be able to bag yourself a bargain. Why did I want to purchase this set? Well, let's take a look at the box and see what's included. Inside you get a 462 Princess Coronation class locomotive named City of Bristol in BR Blue with early British Railways crest. 2 XLMS composite coaches in BR Blood and Custard livery and 2 XLMS brake composite coaches in BR Blood and Custard livery also. A Hornby controller with accessory output and transformer. An oval of track with 2 sets of points providing 2 sidings, with one capable of accommodating all of the coaches and the other capable of accommodating the locomotive. Now accessories included are 2 buffer stops, a station platform shelter and platform accessories. Also included are a driver and fireman figure, vacuum pipes and under chassis brake rodding should you wish to fit them. Now taking a look at the coaches, it is obviously clear that these are the age-old LMS Stania generic Hornby coaches used to produce the LMS Crimson variety that I have many of, and the same used for many years to produce both the Hornby Streamlined Coronation coaches and Silver Jubilee coach sets. However well used the tooling has been, I really like this livery on these coaches, and I have to say personally that I believe it suits them very well. In fact, I may have to acquire some more for this set. So for those of you who have not seen some of my previous episodes, I do have a tendency to look for additional coaches for my sets to give them a good long train. Just take a look at the mighty Mallard set. I'll put a link up there at the top of the screen. Now I won't bore you with all the track included, but there is track, and here is an image of what you could make with what is included. The station included in this set has been somewhat modified with an additional straight section and had the station building glued to the said straight section. Otherwise the station includes 2 ramps and 2 curved platforms with fencing, which is a change from the straight generic platform. Now for the bit that really makes the set, the locomotive. So before the channel is inundated with comments, the loco is not super detailed. However, it is very nice. Although not described as a railroad, I would say that it definitely falls into that category. So the vast amount of detail to the body is moulded, but there is plenty of detail. The handrails are plastic but are separately fitted. The buffers are plastic and they are not sprung. The rear pony truck is fixed and the wheels for that pony truck are flangeless. However, that all said, it is loco drive and DCC ready. The loco wheel set and motion looks wonderful. The print detail and the blue finish is lovely for that of a train set. The cab interior is not painted, however the detail is there should you wish to paint that yourself. However, bear in mind that by the time a driver and a fireman are fitted into the cab, very little of that cab detail will be visible. The tender has a NEM pocket coupling and an imitation coal load fitted and lots of moulded rivet detail. For me, this set will not stay in pristine clean condition. Firstly, the locomotive will receive etched nameplates, smoke box numbers, etc., most likely from Fox transfers. The tender will receive some coal dust on its moulded coal load. A light weathering will be applied to the loco, crew fitted and quite possibly a sound chip and house the speaker in the tender. Now if I can acquire them, I will try to acquire a further 2 to 4 composite coaches in the same livery to give that train a nice 6 to 8 coach length. Additionally, I may purchase a Royal Scot headboard and corridor board for the end of the train. All in all, a really nice set from around the turn of the millennium that with a few tweaks will look even better than it already does. Incidentally, if like me you like some steam locomotives in the BR Blue livery, check out the link in the description of the Hornby BR Blue Mallard train set with XL and ER teaks in blood and custard, soon to be available, which I have my eye on also. Anyway, this set has come in at £100 pre-owned. In my opinion, for what is included and the state of online pre-owned prices these days, I believe this has been value for money. As I said earlier, I purchased this set from Dome Trains of Stanley, and Dome Trains regularly have pre-owned sets in great condition available. In fact, they have a great selection of model railway items at great prices. And no, I don't get paid to say that, but if you have followed the channel for long enough, you will know that I have acquired a lot of my items from Dome Trains, and I honestly can't praise them enough. So let me know in the comments what you think of this set, and would you like to see Hornby produce more sets like this one? If you have enjoyed this episode and you would like to send a super thanks, please do, and I will thank you in my next episode. There's lots of links in the description, so make sure to check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye now.